Recently, Amazon Music introduced two new features for your Echo and Alexa. The first is calling up music that you recently played based on genre, artist, or when you played it. The second would be creating playlists based on songs that you're currently listening to. I'm going to get into those, but first I want to say hi, my name is Craig, and on this channel I do tech tips and reviews along with the weekly Echo series. Check out the description, I'll put links in there for the Echoes if you want to buy one or learn more about them. I've changed the name of my device to Computer, that way I don't trigger your device at home. If you're using that as your wake word, please mute your device now. Also, this is week number 36 of my 52-week Echo video challenge. If you haven't already, please check out some of the other videos that I've made so far. Let's get started. These two new features will work on regular Echoes. I'm using the Echo Show, so we have a visual representation while doing this. The new features that Amazon introduced give you the ability to, one, call up music that you've listened to recently. You can do it with genre, artist, or time that you played it. The other feature allows you to take songs that you're listening to and create a new playlist from them or add them to an existing playlist. Hopefully these new features will give you more functionality for Amazon Music on your device. So let's take a look at the first feature. Computer, play that Yo-Yo Ma song I was listening to last week.
Here are songs by Yo-Yo Ma from the time you requested, from Amazon Music.
Computer, pause. Computer, play that Metallica song I was listening to last week.
Here are songs by Metallica from the time you requested, from Amazon Music.
Computer, play some hip-hop from last week.
Playing hip-hop music.
Computer, play that song Feel It Still from last week.
Feel It Still, by Portugal the Man, on Amazon Music.
Computer, play rock music from last month.
Playing rock music.
These are my friends, I love them.
Computer, stop. So that's a few examples of different ways to call up different music that you recently listened to. Now let's try adding some music to a playlist. Computer, play classical music.
Here's a station for classical music, Classical Focus, on Amazon Music.
Computer, next song. Computer, add the song to a new playlist.
Sure. What's the new playlist name?
Classical.
Adding Piano Concerto No. 5 in E-flat Major Opus 73, Emperor, 2. Adagio un poco mosso to your classical playlist.
Wow. Computer, play the song Feel It Still.
Feel It Still, by Portugal the Man, on Amazon Music.
Computer, add this to a new playlist.
Sure. What's the new playlist name?
Fun Mix.
Adding Feel It Still to your Fun Mix playlist.
Computer, stop. Computer, play classic rock.
Here's a station for classic rock music, 70s rock, on Amazon Music.
Computer, create a new playlist.
Sure. What's the new playlist name?
Rock.
Creating your new playlist, Rock.
Computer, stop. Computer, play my Fun Mix playlist.
Your playlist, Fun Mix, on Amazon Music.
Computer, pause. Computer, play my classical playlist.
Your playlist, Classical, on Amazon Music.
Very relaxing after my Fun Mix. That's it. Those are the two new features, how to bring up music on what you've listened to recently based on time, song, genre, and how to manage your playlist. This is another simple update to the Echo and Alexa that I think makes Amazon Music more tempting to use over maybe some of the other streaming services. I do have a question for you. Are you more likely to use Amazon Music with these new features added? Let me know in the comment section. If you like this video, please hit that like button. If this is your first time here, please consider subscribing and click that bell to be notified of future videos. If you'd like to help support the channel and you found this video helpful, check out the description. I have a link in there to Amazon. Click it, use it, bookmark it, and Amazon will kick us back a little. And also in the description, I have links to t-shirts if you feel the need to wear a Craig's Tech Talk t-shirt too. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.